Hello and welcome. As our last lesson in the subject of equations, we'd like to see how we can substitute values in formulas and how we can use this in finding unknowns. Let's begin. Find the value of y if x is equal to negative 4. Okay, well, there are two ways to do it. You can plug in negative 4 directly into where y is and try to solve the equation. The alternative, or the best thing to do first, is to make y the subject of the formula. So then it becomes easy for you to work with. So let's make y the subject of the formula. So what do? 3x plus 4y is equal to 16. So we want to bring x to the right side. So negative 3x on either side. So this leaves us with 4y is equal to 16 minus 3x. Okay, so what do you do next? We only want y to be left alone on the left side, so we divide this side by 4, and we also divide this by 4. So what we have is y is equal to 16 minus 3x divided by 4. Earlier I said you plug in negative 4 into where y is. That's wrong. What I meant was plug in negative 4 to where 3x is. Okay, so y is equal to 16 minus 3 into negative 4, okay, divided by 4. So 3 times negative 4 gives us negative 12. So negative times negative 12 gives us positive. So 16 plus 12 over 4. So what is 16 plus 12? That's 28. 28 divided by 4, that gives us the value of 7. So we know y is equal to 7. The height of ascent of a cannonball is given by the equation h is equal to half gt squared, where h is the height and g is the acceleration due to gravity, and t is the time taken in seconds. How much time was required for the cannonball to reach 4.9 kilometers? Take g as 9.8 meters per second. Okay, so the first thing is that we want to write the equation. The equation here says h is equal to 1 over 2 times g times t squared. Okay, that is 2 t's. So we know g to be 9.8, but we don't know t. Okay, so first we need to make t the subject of the formula. So this is same as 1 over 2 times g times t squared is equal to h. So to eliminate half, so we need to multiply by what? Multiply by 2, and you also multiply this side by 2. Okay, so the 2 cancels out here. Now we have gt squared. To eliminate g on this side, we divide by g. We also divide this by g. Okay, so the g's cancel out, so we're left with t squared is equal to 2h over g. Now to find the value of t, we need to take a square root of both sides. So square root of t squared and square root of 2h over g. So that gives us t is equal to square root of 2h over g. Now what is h? First, it's written in kilometers. We're going to convert that to meters. So that's going to be times 1000, because 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meters. So that's 4900 meters. So t is equal to what? Square root of 4900 meters multiplied by 2 divided by 9.8. Okay, so t is equal to what? Square root of 9800 divided by 9.8. So this is going to be t is equal to square root of 1000. Okay, if we take a square root of 1000, it's approximately 32. Remember, the time is in seconds. So the time taken for the cannonball to reach the height of 4.9 kilometers was 32 seconds. The area of a circle is given by the formula A is equal to pi r squared. Find the radius of the circle whose area is 314 meters squared. Take pi as 3.14. So we want to find the radius. So first we make radius the subject of the formula. So we know that pi r squared is equal to the area. Okay, so to make r the subject, we divide this side by pi. We also divide this side by pi. So the pi's cancel out. And next thing is that because this is a square, we're only looking for the radius. We want to take a square root of both sides. So square root of both sides. And that leaves us with r is equal to square root of a over pi. Okay? So now we know that ar is what? A over pi. And because a, we know the area, which is 314, we can substitute the values. So 314 divided by 3.14. Okay, so this is going to give us a value of 3.14 in 314. That will be 100. So square root of 100. Remember, it's in meter squared. So meter square. So when you take care square root of 100, it is 10. Square root of meter square is meter. So the radius is equal to 10 meters. So it is better for you to change the subject of the formula to the unknown that you're looking for, and then you substitute values and solve for the unknown. That's it on change of the subject of the formula part 5. Thank you for watching.